welcome to Bird Paradise. Over here we have 8 large fossil aviaries, each representing a different habitat from around the world. To help you enjoy your stay, we have some aviary do's and don'ts. So keep at least 1 meter away from the birds and don't change or corner the birds. Don't touch the birds. If they land on you, let them pop off at the nearest railing. If you need any assistance, then call up to any of our keepers. So early mornings and late afternoons are the best time to take photos of our birds. Do not face the camera or phone too close to our birds. And always keep a safe distance when taking photographs. Keep your shiny objects such as your jewelry, keys, and coins. Don't feed our birds with your food. Join our official feeding program instead. We hope that this has been helpful for you to enjoy a greater appreciation for the wonderful wildlife around us. Have a great day ahead at Bird Paradise. See you around!
bird paradise was amazing. I definitely enjoyed feeding those birds. Although those worms were creepy. Special thanks to Ken, owner of Dessert Merlion Singapore Cafe, for treating me. 多謝你啊. Apparently, bird paradise is only a part of this Mandai Wildlife. I heard there's a night safari, rainforest, and a zoo. I want to go to all of them. Oh well.
Next time, baby.